PowerPoint 2013 through 2007 saves presentations using a file format that provides a smaller file size and better security than the format used in prior versions of PowerPoint. However, you should be aware of the file format if you will be sharing your presentation collaboratively with others who may need to use and edit the presentation with an older version of PowerPoint. Some features of PowerPoint 2013 through 2007 aren't supported by older versions of PowerPoint. Also, if you save a PowerPoint 2013 through 2007 presentation using the new PowerPoint file format, it will not able to be opened in previous versions of PowerPoint by default. First off, there are now 4 different basic file types available starting in PowerPoint 2007. In previous versions, you had 2 basic file types. You can recognize what type of file you are using by examining the file extension of the presentation, which we will examine momentarily. In versions of PowerPoint prior to 2007, you had PPT files, which were the presentations, and you had POT files, which were presentation templates. Starting in 2007, you still have the basic distinction between presentations and presentation templates, but now you also have another distinction, whether or not the presentation or presentation template can contain macros or code. This is simply noted by an additional letter in the file extensions used by the presentations and presentation templates in PowerPoint 2013 through 2007. Starting in PowerPoint 2007, you have the PPTX file type. This is the default PowerPoint file format. It is a basic PowerPoint presentation that does not contain macros or code. When you use the Save As dialog box to save your presentation, if the file type shows as PowerPoint presentation, then you know this is the file type you will be using when you save the presentation. In addition to this, you can also save a presentation using the PPTM extension. This is a PowerPoint presentation that could potentially contain macros or code. This also applies to presentation templates. A presentation template that does not have any macros or code uses the POTX file extension. A presentation template that does allow for the execution of macros or code uses the POTM file format. Now, if you are creating a presentation in PowerPoint 2013 through 2007 that will need to be opened or edited on a machine that doesn't have those versions, then you should simply use the old PPT file extension. This should be compatible with PowerPoint 97 through PowerPoint 2003. As always, you can choose what type of file to save your presentation as by using the Save As type drop-down in the Save As dialog box. Now let's look at what happens when you open a presentation in PowerPoint 2013 or 2007 that was created in a previous version of PowerPoint. In this case, PowerPoint opens the presentation in compatibility mode. You will see the words compatibility mode shown in the title bar of the presentation if this is the case. In compatibility mode, PowerPoint 2013 through 2007 disables any features that are not supported by the older versions of PowerPoint. That way, you can edit your presentation safely in PowerPoint 2013 through 2007 and save your changes in the original file format. This allows the creator or other editors using older versions of PowerPoint to use the presentation after you have made changes. In contrast to this, you can open presentations created in older versions of PowerPoint and save them into the new PowerPoint file format if you know that they will no longer need to be opened and edited in an older version. If you are interested, Microsoft has a backwards compatible file converter that you can download from their website that allows your version of Microsoft Office 2000, XP, or 2003 to open and edit the new PowerPoint 2013 through 2007 files.